In this video, you'll learn how to back up your Microsoft to-do list quickly and safely by saving it as a PDF. This is really useful if you want an offline copy of your tasks, need to share a snapshot of a list with someone, or just like having a backup for peace of mind. We'll go through the whole process step by step using Microsoft To Do in your web browser. First, open your preferred browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and sign in to Microsoft To Do. Make sure you're logged into the account that actually contains the list you want to back up. Once you're in, you should see all your lists down the side, such as work tasks, personal errands, shopping, or any custom lists you've created. Next, click on the specific list you want to back up. This is important because the method we're using will only capture what's currently visible on the screen. When you open the list, give it a moment to fully load. If you have tasks grouped into sections or organized with due dates, scroll through and confirm that everything you care about is visible. If any tasks are collapsed or hidden in a filter, expand or clear those so they will appear in your backup. Now you're ready to start the backup process. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and P together if you're on Windows, or Command and P together if you're on a Mac. This opens your browser's print dialog. Even though you're not going to print anything on paper, this is the tool that lets you convert the list into a PDF. When the print dialog appears, you'll usually see a preview of your list on the right and some options on the left. Look for the setting that controls the printer or destination. It might be labeled printer, destination, or something similar depending on your browser. By default, it may show your physical printer. Click this option to open the list of available printers. Instead of choosing a real printer, change the destination to Save as PDF. In most modern browsers, Save as PDF appears as one of the standard options, so you don't need any special software. Once you select Save as PDF, take a moment to look at the preview again, make sure all of your tasks are captured, and scroll through the preview pages if there's more than one. If you want a cleaner backup, you can also check for options like layout, margins, or background graphics. Leaving the layout on portrait usually works best for lists, but if your list is very wide, you might prefer landscape. These settings don't change the content of your tasks, just how they're arranged on the page. When everything looks good, click the button to save. Your browser will then ask you where you want to store the PDF file. Choose a folder that's easy to find later, such as a dedicated backups folder, your desktop, or a cloud storage location like OneDrive or Google Drive. Give the file a clear name, for example, including the list name and the date, so you can tell different backups apart over time. That's all there is to it. You've now created a PDF backup of your Microsoft to-do list directly from your browser. You can repeat this process for any other lists you want to save and update your backups whenever your tasks change.